Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to use the magnifier on MacBook Air M4. In order to use the magnifier, you just need to go to the settings, then go to accessibility. So the accessibility is below general. Now go to zoom, and you can either use the keyboard shortcuts to zoom or trackpad gesture to zoom. I'm gonna use the trackpad gesture, but also you can turn on the keyboard shortcuts and read these ones, so just these shortcuts will be used for zoom. But I think that the trackpad gestures are more intuitive. So as I just double tap with 3 fingers, it'll toggle the zoom. Now as I double tap with 3 fingers and drag, so just tap, then tap again and don't release it, just start dragging up or down, it'll zoom in or out. Then as you move your mouse, it'll follow it. But also there is the scroll gesture with modifier key to zoom, so if you enable it and set the modifier key, now as I click on control, I can just use 2 fingers to scroll up or down while holding on control on my keyboard. So now I just don't need to slide up or down, and I can also do it with my mouse, so that's also pretty great. Because of that, I can just use the mouse, not the touchpad. And I think that's basically it. You can also change the zoom style to full screen, split screen, or picture in picture. So as I set it to picture in picture, now it'll just zoom it like that. You can also change the size and location in the so you can resize it, for example, and click on OK. And now as I zoom in, it's like that. You can also set the split screen, so this is how it'll zoom in. That's also pretty great because you can actually just see the whole screen while zooming in. It just depends on your needs. And then there are also the advanced settings, which are different. So you can set zoomed image to move continuously with pointer, and when I set it like that, then now as I zoom in, it'll move continuously. But you can see my pointer isn't centered, so it just moves so it makes sense. But as I click on advanced again and set it to keep the pointer centered, now the pointer will be centered all the time and I can just move. But I think that the continuous version has a bit more sense, just feels better. It's just up to you, of course, and you can set different other settings. So that's basically all of it. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.